Hello everyone, today we will do the poem Dust of Snow. It is the poem written by Robert Frost. Let's overview the poem. It was winter day, the treetops are covered with snow flakes. The poet is upset and is sitting under a hemlock tree. Suddenly a crow sitting on the tree shakes the tree and the fine particles of snow from the tree fall on the poet. The soft and cold touch of snow changes the poet's mood from sad to happy. He starts feeling soothed and refreshed. In this way, a simple movement proves to be very significant and saves rest of the day of the poet from being wasted and from being a regretful day. The black crow is commonly a symbol of fear and death. Since the crow is not associated with goodness, it is ironic that in this poem, it is doing a good deed by shaking off the snow. Robert Frost uses the element of the fearsome crow and a poisonous hemlock tree to do something good, shake the white, pure snow off the branches. We have a poisonous tree covered in pure white snow and a man who is depressed is sitting under the tree. At this precise moment, the black crow of death shakes the pure good snow on the man. All that goodness helps the man change his mind and feel good, forget his regret and sorrow. The poem Dust of Snow reiterates that the little things in life can make huge changes in our future. It also shows that if we take the hard times of life in strides, eventually something will happen to change our situation into happier times. The simple things we do for others can make all the difference. So let's read the stanza number 1 of this poem. The way a crow shook down on me the dust of snow from a hemlock tree. Now the poet is talking about a winter day when all the tree tops are covered in masses of snow flakes. The poet is sitting under a hemlock tree. It is a poisonous tree with white flowers and it is found in coniferous mountainous area in North America. By virtue of its name, this tree is not one we can associate with anything positive. However, a crow alights on this tree suddenly, and because of his sudden motion of perching, the mass of snowflakes on the top of the tree falls down the poet like rain. The snowflakes are so soft and light that the poet thinks that they look like white and immaculate dust particles. This shower of snowflakes was aesthetically a shower of blessings from above. This shower of snowflakes from the hemlock tree is evidently the subject matter of this poem, since it touches the poet in some way. Word meaning. What is the meaning of dust of snow? The fine particles of snow. Hemlock tree, it is a poisonous tree with white flowers, a coniferous tree found in the mountainous areas in North America.